Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be doing a review of Joanna Cosmetics, a few lippies, lip gloss and eyeshadow palettes. So guys, if you love such videos, click on this red subscribe button, subscribe for more videos like this. And if this is your first time here, you're most welcome. So guys, let's get straight into the video. This is the packaging. These are the lipsticks I'll be reviewing. I have Free Spirits, Basically and Innocent. This cost 1600 shillings, but I was able to get them when they were on sale. I was able to buy these two lip glosses. This is the one which I have on. I love this one, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to put them on later on. So let's get into the eyeshadow palette. So cute. I love the packaging, and also it has all the ingredients included here on the outer part of the packaging. And if you remove it, the eyeshadow palette at the back, it has white color, which is so cute. And also it has this beautiful cute art of an African lady at the middle of road in the city somewhere. So cute. So when you open it, I love these colors, guys. As you can tell, this palette has 10 shades of beautiful shimmer and matte colors. And also it has a mirror. You need a mirror because you don't really need to use extra mirror when you are applying your eyeshadow. So I love the colors. This is a shimmer blue shade, and this is Dragon Queen. So I'm not going to swatch all of the colors because I wanted to apply it on my eye. So guys, I'm going to apply. I'm going to use chocolate and smoky, this black color here, to apply so that you can see how this palette looks. Quickly, I'll do that. So I'm going to use this other brush and use now the chocolate on the outer part of my lids, like so. So as you can see, guys, you can really notice the shimmers. They are highly pigmented, as you can tell, and I have no eyelashes on, and you can still notice the eyeshadow. I'm going to extend here below my eye. I'm going to take this glow, this is Glow Getter. I'm going to put it here like so. This palette is highly pigmented, so I used this feminist and smoky and a little bit of chocolate so that you can just see how this one turned out. I'm going to put the lashes so that you can see the difference. You know, lashes always make a difference when it comes to eyeshadow. So let's do it. So guys, there's a huge difference, guys, and now I have natural lighting so that you can see the difference, and it turned out so well. We're done with the eyeshadow palette, and Joanna just did an amazing job in coming up with those amazing nude and shimmer colors for all the skin types. So let's get into the lippies, and I'm going to start with the lip glosses. I only have these two lip glosses, and this is the one which I have on, guys, and I love it. The name of this is Kiss. This is the Kiss lip gloss, and it comes in this packaging, and it has all the ingredients here. So I'm going to wipe it off and put it on again, guys, so that you can see. This is how Kiss looks on me. Love this one. Yeah, I would use a lip liner, guys, so that I can just make it more like visible, like so. you can at least notice the difference. So that is Kiss. I'm going to use the Frost. Just a slight difference. This is Frost. Looks natural, looks so cute. I love this one. Like, if you don't want to look like you have nothing on, you can always line. And I love using this pink one. There's a very huge difference when you use a lip liner and this plain Frost lip gloss. Now it's time to try on the lipsticks, guys. So I'm going to start with Free Spirit. This is how this Free Spirit looks like. So good, nude brown. So going to wait for it to dry before you I'm using natural lighting, guys, so that you're able to see the the colors without the ring light. And this is the Free Spirit. Love it, so cute. And I've not even lined my lips, but if you want, you can line the lips with a brown eye pencil. So guys, that's the difference, like when I've lined with the brown eye pencil. I love it. Nothing is coming out, and also it dries very, very fast. So guys, I love this nude shade. It's not wearing out, as you've seen, and also it's not heavy on my lips. I love it. So the next one, I'm going to try the Basically. So I'm not going to line my lips, just apply it like so. This is Basically, guys, and this is how the Basically looks. So guys, this Basically looks so cute, and it has dried out. Ooh, I love how this one looks, guys, after using the pencil liner on my lips, and I just love the outcome. So guys, and I'm going to apply the final one, which is Innocent, quickly. Wow, what do you think? I don't know how I feel about this one. Let's put this one on. Like, if you don't want it matte, you can always put lip gloss. Let's do that. Ukipaka, it's not transferring on the applicator. Wow. With this one, that is how it looks. So guys, that marks the end of this video. And guys, before I end this video, she did an amazing job bringing out these shades of lippies, which does not transfer and which are lightweight on the lips, and also they are non-sticky. I feel like that is just one of the amazing job Joanna has done. And also, one more thing, the palette. Wow, the shades on the palette are easily blendable. I love that. And the packaging, yeah, and this is just an amazing Aspire collection from Joanna K Cosmetics. So guys, let me know which one is your favorite. So guys, I'll be bringing more reviews. If you love such videos, click on the red button here, subscribe for more videos like this, and also let's support our own. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next one. Much love.